Those are recording. Just have the numbers on it. How's it going, Scott? Mallory's holding the camera. We have a bird loose in the studio, so we have no nets. But I do have a box.
Proud of you.
And a lid. So this is the plan. That's the plan.
Is getting you ready for summer.
Here we go.
Delivers tantalizing tans for only
I can tell you right now where Peeper is.
Where is Peeper?
In the break room.
Peeper? Peeps. We said Peeps.
No, Peepers.
We agreed.
Because I'm not. You want to eat it.
Would be Peeps. That way I can just put them in the microwave. Call it good.
Are you nervous?
I'm a little nervous. Yes. Shh. Last time I saw him, he was in here. You going in first?
Yeah.
All right.
He's not in here.
Not in here? Are
No.
you sure?
Yeah.
Not up on the top up there?
What is wrong with you?
Look at it, right there, right there, right there.
You're right.
Right there on the plug. Maybe he's already cooking. Hi, buddy.
Hey,
How
friend.
you doing? It's good to see you.
Peepers. Come on, sweet girl. You full sweet.
Oh, yeah. How am I going to do this? Is it going to be a... I mean, it's just looking at me like...
He is. She is.
It is? All right. Just... Can't decide which one of us wants to fly in first. You think I can throw it over?
Oh, here we go.
There we go. Oh, that window. It's perfect. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. He's gone. He's gone.
Darn it.
Oh, he's in my office.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
Oh, he is?
Yes. I didn't just.
Hold on. I got to get this window open. That's our plan.
Hey, giddy birdie. Hey, birdie, birdie. Scott, why don't you just go in my office and I'll shut the door?
All right. Where's it at?
Right here.
Okay. Now you got to get it out of there.
Okay, go for it.
No, you got to get it out of there. Did he eat the blueberries I gave you? Which office?
It's right there. Here he comes. He's trying to get out my window. Ooh, open the window and open the door. Great idea. Okay, shut this door.
Okay, but it's locked on the inside of that window. Someone's got to go in.
Okay, just...
All right,
okay.
I'll go in.
You're going to go...
I'll go in.
Oh, so he's just trying to get out that window, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you got to... Hold on, let me... Okay. See the key right here?
Yeah, I see the key. I see it. I like it.
Okay, Birdie, calm down. Okay.
Come on. All right. Need some light here. It's all right, Birdie. It's all right. Hey now.
Okay.
Hey, settle.
Oh, Scott, that's actually not a bad idea. Oh, his poor little heart is racing. Okay. All right, Birdie, come on out. Here, Birdie, Birdie.
No, bird down.
You killed it?
Kill it.
Is it on the ground?
No. Just down there. There it goes. There it goes. Get it. Come on, Birdie.
Come on, Birdie. Come on, Birdie. Oh, Scott, no! He's gone! He's out! He's out!
Did you see me flip the bird?
Peepers made it!
Bye, peeps. It was awesome. There you go.
You act like we're experts at it.